Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived two individuals who were destined to cross paths in the most extraordinary way. This village was a haven of tranquility and spirituality, where people from different faiths coexisted harmoniously. The first person was a Buddhist monk named Kavi. He was known throughout the village for his wisdom, compassion, and the radiant aura of inner peace that seemed to surround him wherever he went. Kavi had spent most of his life in the monastery, practicing meditation and striving to attain enlightenment. He believed in the teachings of the Buddha and shared them with anyone who sought his guidance. The second person was a carpenter named Yeshua. He was a humble and gentle soul, known for his exceptional skill in woodworking. Yeshua was a devout follower of the teachings of Jesus Christ, and he found solace in crafting beautiful wooden crosses and sharing the message of love and forgiveness with those who crossed his path. One sunny morning, as Kavi meditated beneath the Bodhi tree on the outskirts of the village, Yeshua was passing by, carrying a wooden cross he had just completed. As Yeshua sat there, admiring the tree, Kavi opened his eyes and noticed the carpenter. Kavi smiled warmly and gestured for Yeshua to join him. Yeshua accepted the invitation, and they sat together in. As Yeshua sat there, admiring the tree, Kavi opened his eyes and noticed the carpenter. Kavi smiled warmly and gestured for Yeshua to join him. Yeshua accepted the invitation, and they sat together in silence, basking in the tranquil ambience of the Bodhi tree. After a while, Yeshua broke the silence. "Your presence is so serene," he remarked to Kavi. "It's as though you carry the wisdom of the ages within you." Kavi nodded with a gentle smile. "I have dedicated my life to the teachings of the Buddha, seeking inner peace and enlightenment. I believe in the path of compassion, mindfulness, and the interconnectedness of all beings." Yeshua listened attentively, and then he shared his own beliefs. "I follow the teachings of Jesus Christ, who preached love, forgiveness, and the kingdom of heaven within us. I believe that we are all children of God, and it is our duty to love one another as God loves us." Kavi and Yeshua found themselves engrossed in a deep and meaningful conversation, exchanging stories of their spiritual journeys and the profound wisdom they had gained along the way. They discovered that despite their different paths, there were remarkable similarities in their teachings: compassion, forgiveness, inner peace, and the importance of transcending the ego. Days turned into weeks, and Kavi and Yeshua became inseparable friends. They would often sit beneath the Bodhi tree, sharing their thoughts and experiences with one another, and the villagers began. One day, as they sat together beneath the tree, Kavi looked at Yeshua and said, "Our paths may be different, my friend, but the essence of our teachings is remarkably similar. We are like two streams flowing into the same ocean of spiritual truth." One day, as they sat together beneath the tree, Kavi looked at Yeshua and said, "Our paths may be different, my friend, but the essence of our teachings is remarkably similar. We are like two streams flowing into the same ocean of spiritual truth." Yeshua smiled warmly in agreement. "Indeed, my dear friend. In the end, it is not the name of our faith, but the depth of our love and compassion that truly matters." As the years passed, Kavi and Yeshua continued to inspire each other and the villagers with their friendship and the beautiful harmony of their spiritual beliefs. They demonstrated that, at their core, Buddhism and the teachings of Jesus Christ shared the same timeless message: a message of love, compassion, and the pursuit of inner peace. Together, they showed the world that the paths to spiritual enlightenment could be as diverse as the colors of a sunset, yet still lead to the same radiant destination: the realization of our shared humanity and the boundless love that unites us all.